Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to model and develop the river package using the MODFLOW PMWIN platform. First, we have to open our project, go to File and then open Model. Here is our project. Previously, we have worked on it, and then open. Okay, then we have to simply open the river package. Go to models and then flow package and then open the river. Okay, so this package is important to simulate the effects of flow between the surface as well as the groundwater interactions. So in order to simulate these effects, different data types like the hydraulic conductance of the riverbed and the elevation of the riverbed bottom as well as the head in the river are required. If you randomly right click inside your study area, the pop-up dialog box is coming with parameters stated is hydraulic conductance of the riverbed, head in the river, as well as the elevation of the river bottom. So, in order to model this river package, this parameter should be inputted. So, before that, we can develop this package using either cell by cell input method or polygon input method or the polyline input method. If you just want to simulate the cell by cell input method, you can just click and then click and input these values. If you wish to use the polygon input method, you can just click this icon and then make a polygon on your area, and then after you just finish your polygon, you can loop and then close your polygon. After you finishing this polygon, right click inside of the study area, shows the hydraulic conductance of the riverbed, head in the river as well as elevation of the riverbed bottom. The only difference is you can input this value and then transpose the whole this model cell to each parameters. Just I want to note this. I don't want this. Then I will delete this one. And then if you wish to see this polyline input method, you can just use this method, but the only difference is that it needs a lot of parameters like the width of the river and thickness of the sediment, river sediment in the river bed. So you can model using this parameter also, but I am interested to work only using cell by cell input method. Before that, we have assumed, and let's see how to model using cell by cell input method. We do have the head in the river, and we have to adjust our head in the river and elevation of the river bed bottom. So from the top elevation, ground surface, assume the head in the river will be below 1 meter So we have to model this, and the elevation of the riverbed bottom will be below 1 meter as well from the head in the river. Let's see it. So go to value and then matrix. We have to load head in the river. The input parameter is the head in the river, and just load our top elevation and then replace this value. Okay, this is our top. Does not the head in the river, with assumption of the head in the river is below 1 meter. Okay, and then go to value and search and modify. We do have head in the river, and then check this box. If you wish to change the color, you can make a change, and we do have 4000 maximum value and minimum value is 1000 with a value of -1 added from the top elevation to get the head in the river, and then okay. Okay, if you see, we do have head in the river just with assumption of 1 meter below from the top elevation. With the same manner, the elevation of the river bed bottom will be 1 meter below from this value. That means 2184 minus 1 is 24 minus 83. This for this cell it will be 2183 meter for the riverbed bottom. Let's see how to model this. Go to file value and then matrix, and then okay, we can just assign the value matrix and then load the elevation of the riverbed bottom. Okay, load this top elevation. Okay, and then okay, this is our top surface, and then replace this one and go to value and search and modify. We do have the elevation of the riverbed bottom. That is, the only thing is we have to just -2 from the top. That means the top, the head in the river is below 1 meter, as well the elevation of the riverbed bottom is 1 meter below the head as well, so it is -2 from the top. Can just add this one and then okay. Okay, let's see it. Here is it. You see, we do have head in the river 1789 meter and the elevation of the river head bottom 1788. That's good. The only thing is we have to input this hydraulic conductance of the riverbed, and yeah, this hydraulic conductance of the riverbed. Okay, let's see it. Before that, if you guys wish to input your river schematics externally from the other side you can add. For example, I do have a ArcGIS river schematics. Then I will just add under options and then map. I can add my river schematics. Oops, I do have many rivers because this my study area was a large area. So for this demonstration, we do want and I mean we can just use a bit smaller stream. For example, I wish this river schematic will be under this site, and then we can input this value. For that, I have to zoom it. Okay. Okay. So I can just click this area and then input this value. Just I do have 0.008 and then okay. For this area 0.001, okay. For this 0.002, 0.003, 0.0054, 0.0071, 0.0054, 0.0012, 0.000012. Okay, enough. You can proceed like this and then just save these changes, save changes to the river. Yes. Okay, hopefully this video is helpful to see the effects of the flow between the surface as well as the groundwater features like the rivers, lakes and reservoirs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.